This is the Flat 6 Motorsports cold air intake elbow kit, and this is compatible with the 996 and the 997.1, and it'll fit all Carreras, the C4S, and the 997.1 Carrera and Carrera S. And this is a complete bolt-on solution, can be installed in just minutes. It replaces the plastic elbow that's provided from Porsche from the factory that does suppress some noise and flow. So this is a nice smooth flow. It uses a 5-ply, it's a 4mm wide silicone, very high quality, very resistant to heat. So it's going to keep that cold air charge that's ambient nice and cool to the engine. Now our kit does come complete with black clamps, kind of give it a nice OEM look. They're specifically sized for each end, so the bigger one will go on the bigger end, the smaller one will go on the smaller end. Just a nice little touch so you don't have a lot of overhang. It also comes with our block off cap, which is a machined aluminum anodized in black with our logo. Very nice part, very lightweight, and that does come with an O-ring, so it's a very secure fitment. Now this setup is good for about 8 to 12 wheel horsepower paired with a BMC air filter. And then we're working on a proprietary air filter of our own that we have used with the Porsche Macan and had great success with. So we'll have dyno results of that very soon. But this kit's a very cost-effective way to improve the sound, performance, and throttle response of your Carrera. And it's available for the 996, both Carrera C4S, and the 997.1 Carrera and Carrera S. Check it out at flat6motorsports.com.